Planet Earth, in all its beauty and complexity, thrives on balance. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, plays a vital role. Yet there exists a group of animals, often misunderstood, feared even. These are the apex predators, the kings and queens of their domains. They stand atop their food chains with no natural predators of their own. Lions on the African savanna, orcas patrolling the vast oceans, these are the magnificent creatures we will explore. Apex predators are not just hunters, they are architects of balance. Their presence ensures the health and stability of entire ecosystems. They achieve this through their position at the top of the food pyramid, a position of great responsibility. Without these apex predators, the delicate web of life can unravel, leading to consequences far beyond a single species. Throughout history, humans have shared a complex relationship with these powerful animals. We have both admired their strength and feared their presence. However, understanding their crucial role is essential for our own well-being. For the fate of these predators is intricately linked to the fate of our planet. Consider the lion, a symbol of power and grace. These apex predators stalk the African plains, their keen senses honed for the hunt. They target the weak and the sick, preventing disease spread among their prey. This natural selection ensures the overall health and resilience of the zebra and wildebeest populations. In the ocean depths, orcas, also known as killer whales, reign supreme. Their intelligence and cooperative hunting strategies are unmatched. By preying on seals, sea lions, and even larger whales, orcas regulate populations and prevent overgrazing of kelp forests. These underwater forests are crucial for marine biodiversity, providing food and shelter for countless species. The role of apex predators extends beyond simply controlling numbers. They influence where prey graze and how they behave. This in turn allows vegetation to recover, preventing overgrazing and soil erosion. The presence of apex predators creates a ripple effect, benefiting the entire ecosystem. Without these top-down pressures, prey populations can explode. This may seem beneficial at first, but it leads to overgrazing and resource depletion. Ultimately, this negatively impacts the entire food web, even leading to the collapse of ecosystems. The story of Yellowstone National Park provides a stark example of the consequences of removing an apex predator. In the early 20th century, wolves were hunted to near extinction in Yellowstone. This seemingly insignificant event had profound and unexpected repercussions. With wolves gone, elk populations surged. They overgrazed aspen and willow trees, vital for beavers and other species. The landscape changed, rivers eroded, and biodiversity plummeted. Yellowstone, once teeming with life, became a shadow of its former self. In 1995, a bold decision was made: reintroduce wolves to Yellowstone. The results were nothing short of remarkable. As wolves returned, elk behavior changed. They avoided overgrazing areas frequented by wolves. Aspen and willow trees began to recover, providing habitat for beavers and songbirds. The rivers stabilized, and biodiversity flourished once more. The Yellowstone wolf reintroduction demonstrates the interconnectedness of ecosystems. It highlights the crucial role apex predators play in maintaining balance. It is a powerful reminder that we must consider the consequences of our actions on these vital animals. Today, apex predators face numerous threats. Habitat loss due to human expansion, climate change, and poaching all take their toll. The consequences of their decline extend far beyond their immediate loss. It weakens ecosystems, making them vulnerable to collapse. It is our responsibility to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. We must support conservation efforts, protect their habitats, and combat poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Education is key, for understanding leads to appreciation and ultimately to action. The future of apex predators, and indeed the future of our planet, hangs in the balance. Let us choose to be the generation that protects these vital animals, ensuring that their roars and songs continue to echo through our wild spaces for generations to come. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and remember, always stay sustainably aware.